kubanza kubabuza uko barashashurwe kandi kuri yakozire eco nguna no mwishenjero bakaba bataramwete okumubuza okuyakorise sente zikwingana billion 3.9
kubanza mugatandika ikimwagama ngo tukatandika kutuha 30% turi kusayininga ikipapuro. There was no documentation written that you shall deduct 30%. Kureka honorable speaker katugambira ngo tushemere kurete nanga muntu zetu tukareta nini numbers tukasayininga ngo tubone kushashugwa ya cyaci twenda tushimanye kumuramwa mutari kutwifa.
Estatuta abahinyuza nagira ngo bakacira sente zikurabira mu banka ngo konka kuzacira ukabone kubanza kwishyuza ibihandiko byinji
ziriyo ezitariyo itwenda kugira ngo roya atuhereza accountability y'eshashura ya billion 3.9 kandi ED akashobora turi mu meeting ya parliament ngo bakamuhereza 10% tiyashemeye ku sente ahawajemi kibamajani icyo nico ngo twine nico tuma wali bitwe nk'abantu bakisuru hati no wakiza kwasaningira attendance yabo kandi ibintu bye tubiri mu High Court Kampala umushango gukaba dismissed with a cost side yitwa ba complainant tinda mayico bari kuronda mu bataka kutubuzabuza kandi baramenye ibintu by'umukoti.
Katabazi Patrick obunyamateka wabo nagira ngo we kwiyaherize okusinga omushango akabeta okwija kwakira sente zabo tine nomwe ashemerire ku mubanja
form of interest and principal, but also compensation for economic loss, which has been ascertained as 75 billion. So when you add the wins that we have gathered so far, we are in the region of about 132 billion, which is a very impressive record. So far, 39 billion has been paid through an account that was opened as client's account to receive and dispense payments to national bank operator.
Nagira ngo ahatarigira owabiho ndijo ngo wazo mukoti noremwe kugira ekiwashohoza.
If you go to court, you are not going to get 100%. There is negotiations. That's why you have a consent. But also, nobody should lie them that you cannot pay legal fees. Nobody should lie them that there are no expenses, that things will just fall from heaven.
Abashabire kugira kugumisiriza ari kugira ngo akiriyo sente zindi ezibari kubanja no barabe bashashwire omwaka oguhuire.
This money belongs to the plaintiffs we are talking about. For me as a lawyer, I had a secretariat that takes instructions from the plaintiffs, and I'm quite sure that the plaintiffs made undertakings with these people separately but also as a group, and it has been on since 2019. So it is actually so very difficult to believe that having been paid in 2021 you haven't said anything.
Munyamateka ayongere yagira ngo Kisoro baherize kwakira sente ziri kwingana billion 8 na miliyoni 100 ahabwecho uri kumanya ngo utarashashwirwe agambe bukirikare abantu abahinjire amajani bona abakigezi bakakira sente zikwingana billion 3.9 no ukirabe ngo ari ezindi ezibari kubanja.
It's really something substantial, because if there was something substantial, we wouldn't even come here, we would fear to come. We would be here. Haven't I put a question that we read one by one the people that have received 8.138 billion? Has anybody put up their hand? Why have they feared that we read how much money they have received? It is because each one of them here knows. Nobody can put up his hand here to say that they have not received what? Money.
Abantu babanje sente ezibahire government amajani hagati y'umwaka gw'2016 na 2017 amakora gagasha kwa Sofan Nuwamanya hamwe na Adonia Atuheire.